So good morning, sir. This is my video explanation, sir, and my PS1 code, sir. In this part, sir, it is the pass by value part. Returns a clean copy of the code. This kani, sir, is the pass by reference nga siya mag-modify siya sa value directly via pointer. Tapos kani, sir, is the recursive function using ay kani, sir, using the recursive function, sir, ano siya, sum of first n entries. Tapos kani, sir, it is the longest non-decreasing streak. So baba. So I will show you. So in this part, sir, it is the pointer traversal for cleaning. Tapos tama ba? In this part, sir, it is the pointer traversal by cleaning. Tapos it points to start the array. It also modify by a pointer arithmetic. Then, sir, it is the outputs and also accessed via pointer. This, sir, it is the totals and patterns. Muna siyang nag-count sa totals and patterns using pointer traversal kaning nga part. To, sir, tapos I'll show a sample run, sir. To enter the stress pattern value of k. So mauna siya ang output, sir, sa first problem. Thank you.